getting from Mushan Jade factory, and let me show you our factory. Let's go. And now it's lunch time, so the workers are off. And you can see that there are many small pieces of rose quartz, and the workers will draw the shape of gua sha board on this stone. Okay, you can see, right? So this is the shape of rose quartz gua sha. And also there are many semi-products of green aventurine. Okay, and here are the semi-finished product of gua sha board. You can see the rough shape. Well, okay, and here, this is our big factory with the cutting machines and also the grinding machines. Remember to follow me.